We all know there's no place like home for the holidays, but what about selling your home during the holidays? Here's 3 reasons not to wait for the spring. Reason number 1, serious buyers are still looking. They don't really care about a little snow on the ground, and most of them are trying to secure a home for the new year. With so many sellers waiting for the spring market, now's the perfect time to avoid competition and showcase your home front and center. Reason number 2, emotions are high, and that's a good thing. We all know people tend to purchase based on emotion. They want to feel a special connection when they walk through the home. With all the good vibes in the air this holiday season, that could translate into a quick sale for you and more money in your pocket. And reason number 3, there's no time like the present. Remember, when you list your home for sale, you're preparing for a settlement potentially 30 to 90 days or more in the future. There's no need to postpone your plans. Contact me today and let's get started.